Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sumit here, back again in the video. So this time I'm going to teach you how to basically create a camera shake effect in Unity. So without further ado, let's get dive into the video. So first of all, I'm going to create one script called shake. Double click on it. Now my Visual Studio is opening. As you can see, it will take a while actually. Now what I'm gonna first of all, I just write this code, okay, and now I'm going to create a function called shake effect. So shake effect, I'll make it as a enumerator, okay. Then what I'm gonna do here is, like, I'll pass two parameters called like duration. So this is gonna be for how long I want to shake my camera, and this is gonna be magnitude, okay. Now what I'm gonna do here, first of all, I'll just store the camera current position. So taking vector 3 current pose equals to transform this position. So this position is basically camera's current position. Now I'm taking another variable called timer equals to 0. Now I create a simple while loop. So what I'm doing here, I'm just checking if timer is less than this duration which we're gonna pass. So I'm taking two variable called x and just taking random number in between -1 to 1 and just multiplying the magnitude. Same way for y as well. Then now I'm just setting the transform position of my camera by taking new vector 3 and passing x and y, and z position will be -10 only. And now my timer will be plus equals to time dot delta time. So this timer's value will gradually increase by time dot delta time, and at last yield return zero. And at the end, what I'm gonna do, once this loop gets completed, then again I want to reset my camera's position as of the current position, or the previous position actually. So what I'm doing here is like transform dot position equals to current position, okay. Now what I'm gonna do, taking void update and just removing this function and just saying like if input dot get key down key code space. So whenever I press key space key, then I want to run this function, or this I want to start this coroutine. So yeah, just passing this coroutine, and now wanted to pass one parameters value respectively. So it will be my duration, and this gonna be my magnitude. Okay, and I think this is done. Now I'm going to my scene, and just attaching this shake script with my camera, and for proper visually to proper see actually in the scene, what I'm gonna do to create a 3D object called cube. Yeah, and I'm just saying it player. Okay, now if I run the game and pressing space key, so you can see my camera is shaking. So this is all. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys and you will learn a lot. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just bye.